Okay, what we're going to do now in this step is fitting of the front door latches themselves. So this is one of the few things where we haven't pre-drilled this hole for you, and I'll explain why we haven't done that soon. But in the bag you will have 3 of these, which are the front door latches, and 3 of the screws that'll fit through the actual latches themselves. So what you want to do is grab your handle on your door and close that down, and then fit the latch through the handle. Now the latch has to be orientated correctly, so a couple of things with it. One, on the inside of the latch here is a little lug, and that's going to dig into the timber to stop the latch actually rotating. And underneath, on the underside, is a recess to stop the rubber handle actually slipping off. So to get it aligned correctly, we want to push the latch back through the handle. Now, the reason we haven't pre-drilled this is that we just want to make sure that you get a sort of a good amount of tension to keep the doors latched closed. So what I do first of all is make sure that the handle is running straight up and down, and I put my square drive into the screw, and then I grab the bottom of the handle and I just pull down on it gently. You don't want to over tighten this or put it down too tight, but I do put a bit of tension on it, and then I mark where the screw is going to be, like so. Once I've done that, I can actually now take the handle off to allow me to fit this. So remember, we want to make sure it's orientated up the right way. The little lug at the top will dig into the timber. I'm going to hold that against the base and then drive that screw in. Again, don't over tighten it, but you should start to see the actual latch recess into the timber. Once I've done that, you can grab the handle, pull down and push it so it comes behind the or drops in behind that recess to stop the handle pulling off itself. Once you've done all 3, that's the fitting of the front door latches.